In this video, we are going to take a look at FluentCart, a powerful e-commerce solution for your WordPress website. So let's get started. So we have a WordPress website ready. We are using a Block C theme. So we are going to install FluentCart on this website. It has a free version that we can use. And here is the plugin. It's from WPManageNinja. It's compatible with our current version of WordPress. So let's install it. It's installed. Now let's activate the plugin. Now it's added on our WordPress dashboard. So if we click on it, so as soon as we click on FluentCart, it's going to give us a small setup wizard, which we can use to get started. So let's go ahead with this setup wizard. We're going to add the store country, shop name, store currency, and we don't have any shop image. So let's go ahead and add all these. All right, then we're going to click on the continue button. And here's the setup page process. So we will have to create a checkout, cart, receipt, shop, and customer profile page. What we can do is generate all pages, or we can select the pages from here. Let's go ahead and generate all the pages. Great. Now we're going to click on continue. And from here, we can set up our products. We can start from scratch, or we can choose a theme from here. So let's click on start from scratch and click on save. Now this completes the setup process and it brings us to the dashboard. So let's first take a look at the dashboard. Here we can see a total product count, orders, revenue, refunds, and here's the sales growth. Here is a look at our recent orders, total sold products, and also here we have the order heat map. So we can take a look at where our orders are coming from. We can take a look at recent activities from all today, yesterday, or this week. And we can also add a product from here, right from the dashboard. Now, one of the main things about an e-commerce plugin is how you can add and manage products. So if we click on the products tab over here, we can see that this is empty. We can add a product from here, or we can add a dummy product if we want. So if we click on add product, this window will pop up. We can add a product title. Then we can choose if this is a physical or a digital product. So let's add a name and let's click on add product. And this created a product. Now this is the product creation screen. Here you can see that we can add the title, short description, long description. We can add the images of the product. And there's also product taxonomy, so we can select categories, brands, and also shipping class. And from here, we can add the prices and also select one-time or subscription, so it's available over here. You can also choose a simple or variation of product. So if we have a shirt with M, L, XL, we can create those from here. Also, as soon as it detects that we are creating a physical product, it's also asking us to add shipping. So we will take a look at the shipping later on. First, let's add some products and see how this looks like. Okay, so we added some products. If we take a look at one of these products now, here you can see we added some short description and long description. We also added a featured image for this product. And we place the price over here. We can also calculate the profit and cost here. So if I say that I bought it at 28, you can see that our profit is 7, so 20% margin. So we can calculate the profit and margin from here as well. Now, there's also the inventory management, but this is not available in the free version, so we have to get the pro version in order to get this feature. So great, that is how we can add products. Now let's go back and also see the product variation. We also created a variation. So this product has some variation and this is how it looks like. One easy thing is that to change the variation image, we can simply click over here. We don't need to click on edit. We can simply click on this image and change the image like so, and the image will be changed. So that is how you can create and manage products using FluentCart. Now we are also going to make these published so our customers can see it in the front end. Now if we take a look at the shop page, now this is how our products will look like. So if we click on a product, this is how we can see it. We can also choose the variations from here. And here is another product. Now, if we click on add to cart, it will be added over here. And then we can go to the checkout. And that is how the checkout page will look like. Basically, that is how we can create and manage products and how the checkout page also looks like in FluentCart. Now also let's take a look at the orders page. So this is the orders page, and here we can create an order. But currently we don't have any orders. So let's head on to the website and see how this looks like. So in the features section, if we go to the orders and fulfillment, here we can see the order page and how it will look like. We can take a look at the products, we can take a look at the quantity, we can take a look at the payment slip from here. We can also take a look at the customer information, their username, how many orders they've made, shipping address, billing address, everything will be included in here. So when more and more orders gets added over here, you will be able to manage all your orders and also view those, and we already saw how that looks like. And now if we take a look at the customer section, you will also have access to your customers' information over here. And in the reports tab, here we can take a deeper look at our statistics and analytics. We can take a look at the gross summary, the gross revenue quarterly. We can also take a look at gross volume breakdown. So currently we have no data to show over here, but we can also take a look at sales from here. We can take a look at the orders. So all these information will be shown over here. The revenue, refunds, subscriptions, and also products, customers, and sources. So it has a deeper reports section. Now, if we head on over to the settings from here, we can take a look at other options. In the store setup, you can add in your store name, logo, store mood. Currently, it's set to test. You can set it to live when you want to make your site live. You can also go to page setups and set up your pages from here. In the product page, you can set up your single product setup, image zooming, so if you want the zooming effect. So this gives you much more freedom. And in the cart checkout, you can add the cart icon in body. You can customize all these from here. In the checkout fields, we can take a look at the billing address or what we want to show. All of these are added over here. In the payment settings, we can take a look at different payment gateways such as Stripe, PayPal, cash on delivery, the Paystack, Paddle, Molly, Authorize.net, Razorpay, Square, and Airwallex. So last three are still coming soon. And these three, Paddle, Molly, and Authorize.net, are only available in the Pro version. But in the free version, you can use the Paystack, Cash on Delivery, PayPal, and Stripe. So that's quite a selection. In the invoice and packaging, now this feature is still under development, but when it comes live, you can actually customize your invoice templates. You can also take a look at the package slip template, so you can customize this as well. You can also take a look at the delivery slip templates. You can customize these, and shipping slip template as well. So if we click over here, we can also take a look at the variables, and then we can make customization on these templates. Great. In the tax and duties, you can enable taxes. And if you enable this, you can choose whether you want to include or exclude taxes on the product prices. You can also calculate tax based on customer's shipping address, billing address, or store location. You can choose the price suffix, and you can also enable the EU VAT change, and these will give you more options. In the rates, you can choose your tax rates for different countries. So if you click on add countries, you can select a country and add different tax rates for different regions. You can also go to the European Union, and here you will get options on how you can collect VAT in the EU. You can collect using one-stop shop OSS registration. You can collect using your home country registration and collect from specific country rates. Now, if we go to the email configuration, you can configure your emails. So what will be the from name and what will be the from email? You can add a reply to name and reply to email, and also the email footers. You can take a look at the variables and use this as well. In the notifications tab, you can take a look at various notifications. So here for the first notification, we can see that when a new order has been paid, an email will be sent to the admin if we enable this. And you can also customize these templates as well. So there are various notifications such as purchase, receipt to customer, sent mail to customer after subscription renewed, various other notifications, and who are the recipients, it's also written over here. You can enable and disable these notifications if you want. From roles and permissions, we can see that these are only available in the Pro version of the plugin, so we cannot use it. In the storage settings, we can add to local or S3. In the shipping section, we can add shipping zones and classes. And in the features and add-ons, currently no modules settings are found. If we go to the integrations tab and take a look at some integrations, FluentCart really works with other Fluent programs or applications such as Fluent CRM, Fluent SMTP, Fluent Community. So you can include these with your FluentCart to increase your features. Okay, so that's about it. Now let's take a look at the free versus pro. So what you get in the free version and what you get in the pro version. So we're here in the website and we're going to take a look at some of the features you get in the free and the pro version. So in the FluentCart free, you'll never hit an artificial paywall for basic store features. You can run a full online business using only the free version. You'll also own your data, your store, and your freedom. So now why would you need the pro? Pro exists only for advanced use cases like granular analytics and licensing. So if we scroll over here, we can take a look at the free features, which is the complete store setup, subscriptions, checkout and payments, coupons and discounts, 30-day reporting, and customer accounts. We took a look at most of these features. Now, if we take a look at the Pro, you get advanced reporting suite. So sales, order, and revenue with instant data and export. You get license management, so you can sell digital software and manage activation keys. You can get the inventory tracking feature, which we saw while we were creating the products. Order bumps, so you can add smart checkout offers to boost revenue with ease. So this is a very important feature. Some market owners even use a separate plugin to include this feature. The advanced payment gateway, you already saw the Molly, Authorize.net, Razorpay, and more. These are only available in the Pro version. And also the UTM tracking, so your marketing analytics for top selling pages and customer journey. This is also a very premium feature, which many marketplace owners really love. If we scroll down over here, there's a comparison table, so we can take a look at what you're getting. So you won't get the inventory feature in the free version, the user permission, the S3 storage, and also conditional order bumps, access to Razorpay, Molly, Square, Authorize.net, Airwallex, Paystack, Paddle, and also email credit link. We can also see that you won't get access to the licensing and webhooks. And that's about it. So FluentCart is quite generous with the free version, but the Pro version actually gives you much more advanced features. So in case you want to get the Pro version, we can take a look at the pricing page. So there's the annual and lifetime plans available. So if we take a look at the annual plans, the 1-site license tier, the 5 sites license, and the 15 sites license. The 1-site license is available for $199, and with it you get 0% transaction fee. So all these are 0% transaction fee with 1 domain, 1-year update, and all features included. The 5-site license package gives you 5 domain, and the 15-site license package gives you 15 domain licenses. Now these are $499 and $699 respectively. If you want, you can also get the lifetime plans, which are just one-time payment, and you don't have to make any annual payments with it. Now there's also a 50 sites license package, which is $899. This gives you 50 domain licenses with 1-year updates. It's available for $899. And now this is a very popular plan. Now the lifetime plan also has the 50 sites license. So you can get it for $99 per month, or you can make a one-time payment of $1,099 and you'll get access to this. So that was FluentCart plugin. Let us know your thoughts on this plugin, and if this video was helpful for you, give it a like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful videos such as this one. So thank you for watching. See you next time.